Also, Manish, another thing is that so in these courses,
Correct.
students do they learn only the theory part, or do they get to do some practical assignments also? And is it only in the class, or do they take something back home also to do?
Yeah, so there are two parts to the question. One is theory versus hands-on. So our courses are actually focused on hands-on assignments and projects, even in class and post-class too.
So less of theory
Less
and
of theory.
more
You can
of
say as a thumb rule, maybe 20-25% theory and 75% of
the real
hands-on
projects.
project, their own
Okay.
projects. So when we show them, we tell them about a concept, after which they do their own projects. They do not simply copy ours. They will make their own project. They'll take their own examples.
So they do have certain environment in which these live projects or
Correct.
applications or
Correct.
whatever can
Correct.
be made and they can test it out.
Correct. They
Okay.
sign on to the portals, different portals for different courses, and those portals they sign on to their own accounts.
Okay.
So they create their own projects.
So later on, even after the
Yeah.
course, also they can use it.
Their projects stay with them for lifelong. It's
Lifelong.
like their own email account. They will have their own developer account.
Okay.
And second, you asked after the class also, so that they can you can say revisit the concept and they do not forget it. We give them small assignments and quizzes every day,
As a homework kind
as
of
a
thing,
homework kind of thing, which will not be very time consuming, but it will be sufficient and enough for them to revise the concepts and extend it to their liking, like
So
customize
that they
it.
don't forget before their next class.
Yeah,
basically.
yeah.
Okay.